I wanted to go ahead and share with you this unboxing I have, and this was something kind of unexpected but expected at the same time. It is actually from a giveaway, and this giveaway was from Made Beautiful. So open up the package here, see what we got in here. I can tell you right now, this box is heavy. I don't know if you guys have tried anything from Made Beautiful before, but I have. It's been maybe almost like 2 years. And anyway, so let me take a look at this package here. I have a total of 4 items. It says I will have the purifying cleanser, a clarifying shampoo with 13 ounces, a purifying rinse, which is an ACV rinse, 8 ounces. And for those that don't know what ACV is, it's apple cider vinegar. And also the pure detox mask, 12 ounces. Pure replenishing styling cream, 12 ounces. Yes. Okay. And here's a little flyer showing a listing of all the products. Take a look at that. Oh, I have a coupon code to save $2 on any True item. And True is the collection by Made Beautiful. The shea butter, honey, and coconut milk pre-pull detangler. And the shea butter, coconut oil, chamomile, and sage hydrating jelly. The pre-pull detangler is to soften and detangle. If you don't already know that, that's something you do before you go into washing or conditioning or anything like that. It begins the wash day, something I suggest you do every week. The next item here, the hydrating jelly, is to define and defrizz. And it says, it does state at the very top that the hair types, if you do hair typing, that it would be good for. So here you go. So that was nice they threw that in there, because I hadn't even heard of this particular line that they have. So great. Next item I have here, you guys, I am completely out except for one thing when it comes to deep conditioners and masks. I still have one deep conditioner by the Mane Choice, and that's it. I'm completely tapped out. So I was due for another mask or deep conditioner. So this is a detox mask, even better. It says it's made with shea butter, sea kelp, aloe, and cucumber. Oh, y'all, I don't think I've ever had anything with sea kelp in it. Or yeah, I have had stuff with cucumber. Anyway, it says massage gently into clean, wet hair from root to end. Leave the treatment mask on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse well. Pretty nice. Normally when I do my masks or deep conditions, I do it underneath my Pandana Collection thermal cap, which you guys have seen in previous videos. And if you haven't, I have a video showing the unboxing when I actually got that thermal cap. But anyway, this smells good. It's pretty soft, nice and creamy, smells good, and I cannot wait to use it. As a matter of fact, I think I'm going to use it in my next wash day because this is nice. So nice full-size jar. Next item I have here, another full-size jar, and this is the replenishing styling cream, which has shea butter, sea kelp, aloe, and eucalyptus oil. Ooh, this is nice. It says replenish and hydrate. Ooh, I bet. Let's see what this looks like. It smells good. You guys, this reminds me, this collection so far reminds me of summer. Nice, clean, fresh scents. Smells you would find at the beach. I mean, sea kelp. Oh my gosh. Aloe. Nice and fresh. The cucumber in that. And eucalyptus oil. I bet this might be a little bit tingly. I hope it's a little tingly. Maybe not like tea tree oil, but I know with eucalyptus there's a little bit of a, what am I trying to say? You know what? How about I just put it on my hand or something? It feels fresh. It feels I get a cool sensation. That's what I'm looking for. Cool sensation. And I feel that on my hand. Oh, I cannot wait to have that in my hair. Oh, so it says, apply to damp or dry hair. Place a small amount into the palm of your hands and then rub hands together. Gently work into your hair and scalp, showing extra love on the ends. Style is desired. Now, I like how they mentioned to put this on your scalp because I was going to do that anyway because I like that sensation, you guys. Ooh, nice. Can't wait to try that either. Okay, next item I have here. I like how they wrapped everything too. There's plenty of things in here. Make sure everything stays nice and secure. I mean, look how they put this in a sealable plastic bag to protect against any spills or anything like that. So this is the Purifying Cleanser with sea kelp, aloe, lemon, and cucumber. Oh, guys, they put lemon in this. How about that? So it says how to use lather. It is a lather shampoo. They specify that in the first sentence, so you know to expect that. Work through hair from roots to ends. Rinse and repeat. Follow with purifying rinse for added shine. And to detox, it says detox dew. Gently use fingertips to massage your scalp while shampooing your hair. I know for sure I'm going to do that. Matter of fact, I'm going to do more than that because I use a shampoo brush every time I wash my hair anyway because I like that sensation on my scalp. I like making sure I get deep down in there. And if you are a sufferer of dandruff or dry scalp, that feels good. And I am. So that's what this is going to be used for. And this is right on time because my next wash is normally my clarifying wash. I do that at least once a month. Now, you know what? I'm so happy that they put a plastic bag on the items because my purifying rinse, you guys see that? And you know why I'm not mad? Because they have the plastic bag in here. It's sealed, so anything that did spill out did not get all over the box. The box is nice and clean. So I'm going to take this out. This is the purifying rinse. Oh, this is nice because this is with apple cider vinegar, aloe, and cucumber, but it's not a watered down liquefied solution in here as what I'm used to when I get something with ACV in it as a rinse. I have something through Cream of Nature. I have another product through Cantu, and they're both liquid. This is more of a cream. So this smells good too. It has the aloe, it has the cucumber, so it smells nice and clean. It does not smell like apple cider vinegar at all. It's nice and creamy. Everything is creamy, smooth, and thick, and I just love the consistency of all four products. So I'm gonna put this in here, you know, wipe my hands just a little bit. I am very pleased with this. Again, this was a giveaway that I won through Made Beautiful, and I won it last month in June. It's interesting because I won like two giveaways, and I never win. And it must have been something about my birthday month. But I am very happy and pleased, and I'll be trying these products. If you're interested in hearing or seeing me demo these products or give my a product review, which, you know, I probably do anyway, let me know down in the comments. If you use this line yet, let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And, you know, share it if you would like. And other than that, I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.